part of Goa Sevens in the role of tournament director. And in this role, it entails being part of each and everything that's going to happen in the next few days. But the work began a few months ago. We have doubled, as Brandon said earlier, from 2024 teams, but so have the challenges doubled as well. It's yet a very community-driven initiative. I have seen the effort everybody has put here, especially him. It's his family that's been involved in each and every part of what we have done. We have a fantastic team of volunteers who are running everything. What people don't see are the struggles that we need to overcome in terms of regulatory, the permissions and all that. But thankfully we have two big departments from Goa, the Goa Tourism Department and the Goa Directorate of Arts and Culture, who have come on board, and they have really helped us. So we need more people such to come up and help us. Goa has the people to come and help us facilitate a better tournament in the future, and we really look forward for them to come on board. It's 7-a-side, such a big ground with so many less players. You will have a lot of sprints and actions. It's going to be thrilling for people who have never seen the game before. It's transitioned from the traditional 15s to what we're going to see in this event. I urge all the people who have never even seen rugby in their life to come here, at least watch one match with us.
And coincidentally, I'm here at the Goa Rugby Sevens to facilitate World Rugby courses, a medical course and a match officiating course. This is to help Goa Rugby and the Crocotyles Foundation in building rugby workforce of match officials, medics, coaches. So that is one of the reasons why I'm here at the Goa Sevens. Training and education is a very important vertical for Rugby India, because through our vertical we empower the states and union territories to build their workforce of qualified professionals, coaches, medics, match officials, strength and conditioning coaches. And again, that is one of the reasons why we are here in Goa